Imagine this. You go to sleep tonight, and when you wake up tomorrow morning, there's more money in your account than when you closed your eyes. No boss, no office, no alarm clock, no trading hours for dollars. Just income that flows into your life, whether you're awake or asleep. Sounds like a dream, right? But here's the truth. This dream is real. It's called passive income. In this audiobook, I'm going to take you through everything you need to know about creating passive income. What it is, why it's powerful, the myths people believe, the best strategies in 2025, and step-by-step ways you can begin building it right now. By the end of this journey, you'll know exactly how to start making money while you sleep. So grab your headphones, clear your mind, and let's dive deep into the world of passive income. Chapter 1. What is passive income? Passive income is money earned with minimal ongoing effort. Unlike active income, where you exchange time for money, passive income means you build a system once, and then that system continues to generate income for you again and again. Think of it like planting a tree. In the beginning, you dig the soil, plant the seed, and water it. That's your effort. But once the tree grows, it starts giving you fruits, season after season, without you replanting it. That's passive income. Examples: rental properties bringing monthly rent, dividends from stocks, royalties from books, music, or apps, online businesses that run automatically. The core idea: you build it once, and it pays you over and over again. Chapter 2. Why passive income is important. So why chase passive income when you can just work a job? Here's why. 1. Financial freedom. With passive income, you are not limited by hours in a day. Your earnings can multiply while you're free to live your life. 2. Security. Imagine losing your job tomorrow. Without passive income, you're stuck. With it, you still have money flowing in. 3. Wealth building. Passive income compounds over time. Money earned is reinvested, creating more streams of income. 4. Freedom of choice. You can work from anywhere, travel, or spend more time with family. Passive income buys you freedom. Chapter 3. Myths about passive income. Before we go further, let's break some myths. Myth 1. Passive income is 100% effortless. Truth. You need upfront work. It's like building a machine. You must put in time, energy, and sometimes money before it runs on its own. Myth 2. You need to be rich to start. Truth. Some income streams require capital, but many don't. Blogging, YouTube, affiliate marketing, these can start with very little money. Myth 3. It happens overnight. Truth. No, it doesn't. It takes consistency, months, sometimes years. But once it's built, it lasts a lifetime. Chapter 4. Best passive income ideas in 2025. Now let's get to the most exciting part: how to actually build passive income today. Here are some of the most powerful methods. 1. Dividend stocks and ETFs. Invest in companies that pay you just for holding their shares. 2. Real estate rentals. Buy or rent out property for long-term or short-term stays, Airbnb. 3. Digital products. Create ebooks, templates, or online courses once and sell them forever. 4. Affiliate marketing. Promote products online. Earn commissions when people buy. 5. Print on demand. Sell t-shirts, mugs, posters without inventory. 6. YouTube and podcasts. Create content that continues to earn through ads and sponsorships. 7. Automated dropshipping. An e-commerce store where suppliers ship directly to customers. 8. Peer-to-peer lending. Loan money through online platforms. Earn interest. 9. Mobile apps. Build once. Earn from ads or subscriptions. 10. Royalties from creative work. Music, photography, books, and stock images. Chapter 5. Step-by-step guide to building passive income. Step 1. Identify your skills and interests. Are you a writer? Start with ebooks. A teacher? Online courses? Creative? Start POD or YouTube. Step 2. Start small, then scale. Don't try to build 10 streams at once. Pick one, focus, and expand later. Step 3, automate processes, use AI tools, automation apps, and outsourcing. The less manual work you do, the more passive it becomes. Step 4, reinvest earnings. Every dollar you earn should be used to grow your system. Buy ads, better tools, or create more products. Step 5, be patient and consistent. Remember, the results come over time. Chapter 6, mistakes to avoid. 1, expecting quick money. 2, not researching before investing. 3, depending on one source only. 4, forgetting about taxes. 5, quitting too soon. Chapter 7, how much can you really make? Let's be honest, passive income can make you a little extra cash or life-changing wealth. It depends on effort and scalability. Blogging, $100 to $10,000 plus monthly. YouTube, $200 to $50,000 monthly. Dividend investing, 3 to 7% yearly returns. Digital products, $500 to $20,000 monthly. Some people build six-figure incomes by combining multiple streams. Chapter 8, the future of passive income. In 2025 and beyond, passive income is only getting stronger. AI automation, write, design, and market faster than ever. Blockchain and crypto, new though risky opportunities. Global e-commerce, sell worldwide from your bedroom. The gap between active and passive income is shrinking. Automation is making everything easier. Chapter 9, your first 90 days action plan. First 30 days, research and choose one income stream. Set up basics. Next 30 days, start publishing, promoting, and growing. Final 30 days, monetize with ads, affiliates, or products. By the end of 90 days, you'll have a foundation for your first passive income stream. Final chapter. Conclusion. Passive income is not magic, but it feels like magic when it starts working. You must put in effort up front, but once your system is in place, it keeps rewarding you. Whether you're a student, professional, or retiree, you can start today. The sooner you start, the faster you'll enjoy freedom. Remember this quote: "The best time to plant a tree was 20 years ago. The second best time is now." So start building your passive income tree today and enjoy the fruits for the rest of your life.